it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as it's a reconnect.
With Valiant, GodFada, Valley, Father Dippo, GodFada.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go,
man. Head concussion, now or never. Russian, big up yourself. Rupee them, big up.
Badness. I love my bitch, my favorite. Don't fuck no slut without later.
Is it?
No. She knows that I'm not taken. Oh. At the barrel that I spin and I spit out shot. It a race and a flick out bat. Girl skin out them hold me, I dig out that. Girl your pum pum tight like a 10 rock plot.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Badness. I love my bitch, my favorite. Don't fuck no slut without latex. No. She knows that I'm not taken. At the barrel that I spin and I spit out shot. It a race and a flick out bat. Girl skin out them hold me, I dig out that. Girl your pum pum tight like a 10 rock plot. Hosanna, God, she call me the Godfather. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything on my drop can't get up back. But tally down flat. When she come for fuck, you can't black that. Black. She a quint it up, man, I stop up. She love the fuck, she want hot box. She run your fuck, love her back shot. I come that run down past sandals. From me see how she want, she love Batman. I'ma love my bitch, them from London. Done, I love Hosanna.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
I love.
Let's go!
British accent, mate. I love. Yo. Valley, big up.
I love my bitch, my favorite. Don't fuck no slut without latex.
None.
She knows that I'm not taken.
Yeah.
At the
Bachelor life.
And I spit out shot. It a race and a flick out bat. Girl skin out them hold me, I dig out that. Girl your pum pum tight like a 10 rock plot. Hosanna, God, she call me the Godfather. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything on my drop can't get up back. But tally down flat. When she come for fuck, you can't black that. Black. She a quint it up, man, I stop up. She love the fuck, she want hot box. She run your fuck, love her back shot. I come that run down past sandals. From me see how she want, she love Batman. I'ma love my bitch, them from London. I love Hosanna. God, she call me the Godfather. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything on my drop can't get up back. Better lay down flat. The rum plus a vibe, but she don't under. So I want you to come from the cabana. I said the price of a double when the sun ya drop. You want mills on the line when the phone ya bang. I love my bitch, my favorite. Don't fuck.
Yeah, them hot, man.
No,
Russian, big up.
I'm not taking. Hosanna, she call me the Godfather. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything on my drop can't get up back. Better lay down flat. Bap. When she come fuck, you can't black that.
All right, let's go again. Valiant, big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. Can I just big up the girls them in the video vixen and the video personnel them look at them, come out, them play them part. You see me? The boss give you a valuable lesson as the song just start. The man said, don't fuck no slut without no condom, basically. Don't fuck no girls that's for the street without condom. Protect yourself.
I love my bitch, my favorite. Don't fuck no slut without latex.
None.
She knows that I'm not taken.
Yeah.
At the barrel that I spin and I spit out shot. It a race and a flick out bat. Girl skin out them hold me, I dig out that. Girl your pum pum tight like a 10 rock plot. Hosanna,
yeah.
God, she call me the Godfather. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything on my drop can't get up back. But tally down flat.
If you notice with that song here, honestly, Valiant though, Valiant mix up that song here now. That song here is a bad man song and a girl song in a one another. That song is a girl song and a gun song in a one, you know. Cause he mentioned him rifle a couple times, rifle a wave like bandana, at the barrel at a wave and a spit out shot, something like that him said at the start. Let's go again. Yo, him the man used one stone kill two birds. Badness.
I love my bitch, my favorite. Don't fuck.
Him say come again, then he say badness. Two topic the man again I sang.
At the barrel that I spin and I spit out shot. It a race and a flick out bat.
Yeah.
Girl skin out them hold me, done. I love Hosanna. God, she call me the Godfather. God, rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything when my drop can't get up back. Better lay down flat. And the rum plus a vibe, but she don't under. So I want you to come from the cabana. I said the price of a double when the song ya drop. You want mills on the line when the phone ya bang. I love my bitch, my favorite. Don't fuck no slut without laying no son. She knows that I'm not taking none. Hosanna. She call me the Godfather. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything when my drop can't get up back. Better lay down flat. Bap, bap, bap. When she come, fuck, can't black that. The line up with that chat. And if she hard for find me, can't track that.
I want that video shoot. That Jamaica?
Fucking immigrant. Don't stupid boy.
Don't stupid. What a song I shot? A Jamaica shot, right? Them girl, most of them look like some foreign girl though. Especially the white them in it. Yo. Hold on, let me look on something quickly. Come on, I make sure I get it right. I was just looking at the word Hosanna, cause Emma say yo, call him the Hosanna. So Hosanna is basically like a god, So Emma say the girl him, yeah, the girl him God, the Godfather, yeah. Me get it now. Big up myself, Valiant. You give it two different topics in a one song. You see me? Because you say anybody up basically get gunshot can't get up back basically you say that. So then you mention the girl them. So you give it two songs in a one. So the girl them and the gangster them are gonna love that song, yeah. Me like it, it's nice, it's catchy. Obviously you've been previewing it a couple of times on your TikTok. So big up yourself, my bro, big up yourself. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself. Ropey them, big up on yourself, now or never. You see me, Rizzy? Big up yourself. If you enjoy that one and still want to see more from G, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Wait.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip on earth.